Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am sitting on the floor of my bathroom because I'm going to be decluttering under the bathroom cabinet. I've been meaning to do this for a while. I just keep looking under here and seeing a whole bunch of stuff, or what looks like a bunch of stuff. I don't know, we'll see how much is actually in here that I don't use. But I feel like there's definitely some stuff in here that I can get rid of. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to clean out the bottom of it because it's kind of dusty and stuff. And I really wanted to try to reorganize this under here, but I haven't gotten any new organizers yet. I think I know what I want to get, but I don't know where I'm going to be able to find it. So I don't know. Just for today, I'm just doing some decluttering and a quick wipe down. And then I also have this bin that I'm going to go through, which has some more bathroom stuff in it from the old house. When we moved here, I decluttered the I don't know what to call it. It was like a closet that I used for extra bathroom stuff because we didn't have much bathroom storage there either. But I decluttered that, and everything that I wasn't using, I put it into this bin, and this has just been sitting in the basement, you know, just full of stuff that I'm not using. So I'm gonna go through this too. So yeah, time for some fun decluttering. And I haven't even finished my room yet. I need to still do my dresser, my nightstand, and under the bed, but it's just hard to get up there and do that because whenever I have a chance to do it, Noah's sleeping in there. So yeah, I wanted to get on with some more decluttering, so I decided to do this. So this is what it looks like down here. Not too much, but I don't know. I feel like there's definitely some stuff in here. I don't know. We'll see if I'm able to actually get rid of much under here. There's some stuff under here. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm just gonna pull stuff out, and if I find something that I'm gonna get rid of, I'll let you know what it is and why I'm gonna get rid of it. Keeping the tissues. Alright, so this is where I thought I would probably be able to get rid of some stuff. Let's see. Bubbles for the kids. I'm gonna get rid of this because I don't really like using bubbles with them. It smells gross. Actually, not even open yet, but I can still smell it. I don't know. Noah's scared of the bubbles, so I'm just gonna get rid of those. This I guess we don't need anymore. This I bought fairy tales. It's like lice prevention spray. I bought this when I was freaking out that there was a case of lice or a couple cases of lice in Madison's school last year, and I freaked out about that, and I got something to hopefully keep her from getting lice, but I guess we don't really need this anymore. I wonder if anyone wants that. I wonder if anyone would want this in town. It's used. I used it already, but it's in a spray bottle, so maybe someone will want that for free. A broken mirror. One of the kids dropped this and broke it. I need to get a new one with a handle on it, but I haven't been to the store yet to get one, so I'm just gonna keep this just until I get another one. Purple shampoo. There's just a tiny bit of purple shampoo in here, so I guess I will use that up. Oh, I'm also gonna get rid of this. This is a no aluminum deodorant. It's called Crystal. I got this a few years ago, so I honestly don't even know if this is still good. But I got a different kind of natural deodorant. I tried the native one. So yeah, I think I'll probably just use that one if I want to use natural deodorant, or sometimes I do just use that in the winter when I'm not sweating. So yeah. Now for this, and I think, look how dirty that is on top. I think what I want to do is try to find more of these. If I could just find two more of these. I think I got this at Walmart. Maybe I'll have to see if they have them on Walmart website or something. Or if I can get 3 of those would be good to just stack up and keep here. I have to move it over so it doesn't hit that. But these are good for I like those for bathroom under cabinet drawers. I just need to find maybe 2 more. there's literally like nothing in here to get rid of. I use everything in here, so just a couple things. Man, this was boring. Oh, but I still have this bin. Okay, so that one will probably be the one where I can actually get rid of some stuff. But now I'm just going to wipe out underneath here. Not too bad, but definitely needs a wipe down. For this bin, why am I still in the bathroom? I don't know. It's nice in here. Okay. These I am going to get rid of. These are Bic razors and they're so bad. They're so horrible. So, goodbye to you. What else is in here? A ton of combs. Like a bag full of combs. Why do we have so many combs? Sunflower lecithin. I was taking that to prevent mastitis when I was like breastfeeding. I don't need this anymore, so we can get rid of that. This is Greg's, a pill sorter thing, so I don't know. It's not mine, so I'm just gonna leave it. I'm only doing my stuff. Magnesium. That's not mine either. We have bug spray. Does this stuff expire? I don't know. I am going to put this actually in a bin that has all our bathing suits and sunscreen in it. I think that would make more sense because that's when I use the bug spray normally, like in the summer. So, oh, a prenatal. We can get rid of that too. I have a neti pot here, which I was using a lot also when I was pregnant because I had like this weird nose thing. Phlegm nose situation like 2 times when I was pregnant, so I was using that a lot, but I don't really use it anymore. I mean, I haven't used it in a long time. I don't know what to do. I think I'm just gonna check this. It's been like 2 years since I've used that. Gold Bond body powder, medicated. Stuff is expensive, I think, isn't it? But do I use this? No. Cetaphil gentle skin cleanser that's almost empty. Get rid of that. Nose spray. I don't even know whose this was, and it expired in 2018. So I'm gonna get rid of that. It's cheap enough to go buy some saline nasal spray if we need more. I also think I'm going to get rid of this witch hazel. I don't use this for anything. I bought this for after birth. Used it for that and that was it. And this I bought for Gracie mineral oil. We used it one time when I think she was like constipated or something. But it was not a good idea. It was not fun for her or me. I think that was a little bit too strong for her, so I'm gonna get rid of that. This is a knee brace thing that I used to wear years and years ago, but I haven't worn this again either for a long time. How much is a knee brace? I don't know. Let's see how much a knee brace is. Okay, so I looked it up on Amazon, and this knee brace is 3M Ace knee brace is like $13. So I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't think I need to keep carrying this around. I haven't used it in like 7 years. if I need a knee brace one day, I can go on Amazon and buy one for a few bucks. And actually, my camera was shut off before I thought it was recording, and it was not. So there was a few things that didn't get recorded. I'm getting rid of this. This is wound wash that we got after we got Madison's ears pierced. I'm getting rid of that. And then I was just sitting here when the camera was off and I thought it was recording. I was sitting here debating whether I should keep the Gold Bond body powder or not. And I looked this up too, and I think it's about $7. It is a 10-ounce one, so if I could find like an even smaller one, it would be less than that. And yeah, I think I'm gonna get rid of this. Sometimes I hold on to stuff like this for way too long because I think about like a worst case scenario where like the world is shutting down or there's like some kind of emergency and then we don't have Gold Bond anymore because I threw it out. And that's what messes with me. I'm like, oh my gosh, well, what if one day we need the Gold Bond and then I don't have it anymore? And that's what makes me hold on to some stuff for years and years and years, because I always think that there could be an emergency one day where we need this and then we don't have it. But I think we'll be all right without the Gold Bond. There's other stuff that I will hold on to, like extra, like ibuprofen, like fever reducer, stuff like that. I think it's good to have extra of. But do we need to keep a half full container of Gold Bond for years? Probably not. So I'm gonna let that go too. And then the only stuff left in this bin is stuff that's not mine, I'm pretty sure. Greg's, magnesium, Greg's, calcium, Greg's, B6, Greg's. This is Greg's, and that is everything. I still have this huge bag of combs. I don't know what to do with these. We don't need this many combs. How many combs are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 combs. Alright, I'm going to keep 2 combs. I'm going to keep this one. And I'm going to keep this one. I shouldn't even keep any of these. I'm just keeping them for Greg. Maybe he wants the combs. I don't know. I'll put them in here with his stuff. If he doesn't want them, he can get rid of them. So here is my declutter. Pretty good. I'm happy that this bin is like pretty much empty. I'm probably going to take this stuff out, put it in something clear or whatever. Just let Greg know that that's all his. He can do what he wants with it. And then I have another bin that's empty. You know what? I'm actually going to keep one of these razors just as a backup in case I run out and I don't have anything. I'll keep one. I was going to try to give this away, but it's not worth it because it's snowing all the time and our driveway is never like clear enough for someone to come up to the house and grab something. I don't want anybody to like slip and kill themselves coming to get lice spray, so I'm just gonna chuck this. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope these are motivating you to do some decluttering in your own house if you've been meaning to. Kind of just have to start. Just have to like pick a spot and do it, and don't think about things too much. Like that's one thing I'm learning for myself, is that if I sit there and I'm thinking about it too much, then it probably means I need to get rid of it. Like if I grab something and I know that I definitely want to keep it, like I'm gonna know that I want to keep it right away. So yeah, some things are still tripping me up a little bit, like the Gold Bond powder. I think I'm getting a little bit better at making decisions and just getting rid of stuff. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all for my next one. Bye.